There are presently hundreds of billions of Shiba Inu tokens in circulation. And although you may think I'm crazy, I think Elon Musk's latest finding might significantly alter how the Shiba Inu market behaves. But what precisely occurred just now? Okay, let's investigate. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. It's very amazing how much the Shiba Inu has grown in the last 6 months. The amount of creators discussing Shiba Inus increased by a staggering 30,000%. Although social Shiba Inu-related social contacts increased by more than 12,000%, and the story doesn't end there. The number of engagements on social media postings increased by an astounding 9,600%. Consider the enormous amount of interaction that permeates sites like X, Discord, and Reddit to put these statistics into context. Shiba Inu is the focus of what looks like a digital tsunami of likes, reposts, and upvotes. Furthermore, Shiba Inu had an astounding 46,000% increase in mentions across several platforms in terms of social power. This is a significant change in the cryptocurrency environment, not merely a surge. Here's something intriguing to consider. Within 6 months, the price of Shiba Inu increased by an astounding 306%. That is a jump into the stratosphere of cryptocurrency pricing, not just any old leap. As if that weren't already astounding enough, the Shiba Inu trading volume grew by a staggering 398%. These figures bear witness to Shiba Inu's extraordinary ascent in the cryptocurrency industry. They are more than simply statistics. It's an incredible tale of market domination, community involvement, and expansion that's changing the rules of the game. However, it appears that this is only the beginning. As anticipated, the Shiba Inu community did not waste any time in praising the remarkable statistics and assets on social networking sites like X. This goes beyond a simple show of enthusiasm. It's an essential component of engaging and forming communities in the cryptocurrency sector. People in the community feel more united and a part of the community when they gather together to celebrate successes and milestones. It also draws interest from fans and other investors who could be interested in the project's success. The official Shiba Inu ecosystem account on X quickly reacted, joining in the celebration and recognizing the noteworthy milestone while highlighting that it's just the start of what should be an amazing adventure. It's also impossible to overestimate the significance of the official Shiba Inu account participating in the festivities. The project's leadership is bolstered when the official team recognizes and rejoices in the accomplishments of the community. It demonstrates how the group is excited about and actively involved in its community. Imagine it as a sports team and its supporters enjoying a well-earned triumph. A relationship is formed between the team and its supporters when the players and coaches engage in the yelling and celebration with the crowd. This relationship boosts the team's spirits and inspires players and supporters to keep working hard for future accomplishments. Here's an intriguing thing, though. The team's statement continued after that. They also exhorted the Shiba Inu community to get ready for future expansion that would be much more substantial. This message caused the enthusiasm to explode. The community was encouraged to be optimistic and to believe in the project's potential by this recognition from the official team. It was a sign that the Shiba Inu's adventure was far from ended and that even greater things were about to come. This type of passion may be the engine for ongoing success in the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency, where emotion is everything. And it's absolutely true. But this is when everything went awry. There has been awareness of these recent changes. Indeed, they have caused a frenzy of activity in the market for Shiba Inu. A remarkable 765 billion Shiba Inu coins have moved over the last day, shifting between major market players. Most remarkably, a significant number of these tokens are showing up on trading platforms like Coinbase, indicating that holders may be getting ready to sell. Shiba Inu's price may see severe downward pressure as a result of this token flood, something the token would wish to avoid at this point in time. When the transaction history is examined more closely, it becomes clear that significant quantities of Shiba Inu tokens, between $45 billion and over $123 billion, are being transferred to large trading platforms. In the meantime, the price chart is beginning to show a clear triangular formation from a technical standpoint. Usually, this pattern denotes a phase of consolidation during which the price swings between higher lows and lower highs, ultimately culminating in a breakout in either direction. Like a coiled spring, it is poised to burst out with energy. Should the present pattern exhibit indications of selling pressure, the price of Shiba Inus may go closer to the lower support level. On the other hand, if the Shiba Inu rises above the triangular formation, it would indicate a bullish turnaround and perhaps reach new highs. Shiba Inu's volatility is probably going to rise in concert with the increase in activity from whales and big traders. The increase in Shiba Inu transactions may be a sign of a positive turnaround for the token, and this increased volatility might mean that the market is about to see a protracted rebound. Wait, there's still more to think about. By the end of April 2024, Elon Musk's AI system Grok has put its prediction into the mix and predicted a bullish closing for Shiba Inu. Despite the current unrest in the industry as a whole, Grok is nevertheless upbeat about the future of Shiba Inu. After thoroughly examining the technical data and market conditions pertaining to the token, Grok made two optimistic forecasts in answer to questions on the price behavior of the Shiba Inu by April 30th. It predicted that Shiba Inu will enjoy a little increase in value, possibly rising to 7.1% over its present price. But Grok's more optimistic forecast offers an even more ambitious vision, predicting that by the end of April, Shiba Inu prices might surge to an outrageous level. In less than 20 days, Shiba Inu would need to rise an incredible 239% from its current price to reach this bold price objective, creating a new all-time high for the token. With the top asset predicted to post significant gains by the end of the month, these varied forecasts highlight the agreement over Shiba Inu's bullish trend. In addition, April is expected to be a positive month for the cryptocurrency market as a whole, with the much-anticipated Bitcoin halving event taking place on April 19 or 20. In the past, halving events have resulted in notable price spikes for cryptocurrency assets. Some tokens saw exponential growth some months later. Not to be overlooked, though, are the hundreds of billions of tokens that Coinbase received today. This might point to an impending sale. The inherent unpredictability of the cryptocurrency field is shown by the frequent discrepancy between prediction and market behavior. The price of cryptocurrency is known to fluctuate quickly and without warning. Consider attempting to forecast the weather in a setting that is always changing, such as a tropical rainforest. Even with sophisticated meteorological models and satellite data at your disposal, reliable forecasting is extremely difficult due to the ecosystem's extreme complexity and dynamic. Similar to this, the multitude of factors at play in the cryptocurrency market might be too much for even the most advanced forecasting algorithms to handle. Even with the market's difficulties, Shiba Inu is still a popular choice among cryptocurrency fans, with more than 12,000 addresses owning at least 1 billion Shiba Inu coins. Tokens. This opinion is supported by data from the blockchain analytics portal IntovBlock, which shows that despite market volatility, investors have continued to hold Shiba Inu coins. It's interesting to note that over this time, the number of addresses with at least 1 billion Shiba Inu has stayed pretty high. When the dead address is taken out, there are presently 12,000 addresses, according to IntovBlock. The dead address is where a large quantity of burnt Shiba Inu tokens are kept. According to on-chain statistics, these wallets possess a combined balance of more than $15 billion between them. It is clear that most Shiba Inu investors are devoted long-term holders, notwithstanding this persistent optimism. Interestingly, 73% of all addresses, or more than 1 million addresses, that now own Shiba Inu have done so for longer than a year. This community's unwavering dedication strengthens Shiba Inu's standing as a major force in the cryptocurrency industry. Therefore, based on today's on-chain statistics, 73% of all addresses are recognized as long-term holders, suggesting that many investors are not fazed by the present market volatility. Rather, it appears that they are more focused on elements like Elon Musk's optimistic projections about Grok AI. Their choice to stick onto their tokens in spite of brief market fluctuations is probably motivated by their belief in Shiba Inu's potential for future development. However, what are your thoughts about that? Please leave a comment below. I'd be interested in reading your thoughts. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.